fast, delicious, easy appetizer. Well, these are some jerk shrimp plantain cups. These are perfect for a Christmas party or just a regular day. Aren't these beautiful, guys? So if you want to see how I achieved this one, just keep on watching. Heading straight into the video here, I have a partially green plantain. I'm going to peel this one and slice in maybe around 4 pieces. Then we're going to fry these. Then we make the cups. So welcome to the channel, guys. Happy holidays. How are the holidays treating you guys so far? Well, for me, I'm a bit exhausted, but I'm trying to push. So hope you guys are also having fun with the family and trying to be safe as well. So here we have some shrimp. I'm going to take the shells off. They are already deveined. So I'm just going to take the shells off, wash this well with some vinegar, and then we're going to add some season. But in the meantime, we're going to here I have a mixture of seasons and I'll link them on the screen. We have some jerk season, body jerk season, that's the one I'm using. And I'm going to add some other spices, a light soy sauce, and we're just going to mix this well so we can get to do our thing. So just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Plantain cups are ready to be filled. This is a salsa I made just with some red onion, parsley, cucumber, and tomato, and I had a bit of olive oil, a bit of salt, and a bit of vinegar, and just mix this well. That part I thought I was recording, but I guess not. So here it is, guys, fast and simple, and this one is a must try. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and please guys, like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. And happy holiday, guys, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.